Welcome friends once again. So subscribe to our channel to get more. Today we are going to sketch this isometric view by using Solidworks. We are going to start by this dimension is 50 length with this 50 with this and extrude up to 40. Let's start. Choose file on new part. Okay. Top plane sketch center rectangle. Start from origin. Okay, same dimension T millimeter and 50 millimeter. Okay, extrude up to 20. Okay, say okay. Let's check. So select this face normal, sketch corner rectangle. Start from this corner to this one. Okay, assign dimension. Give this 40 millimeter. Okay, give this 10 millimeter. Okay, isometric. Extrude up to 20. Extrude up to 20. Okay, say okay. So check this 20 up to 10. Okay, select this face normal, sketch corner rectangle. Start from this corner. Okay, dimension this is 20. Symmetric features corrects for 10. Okay, so select this face normal, corner rectangle. Okay, assign this 10. Okay, assign dimension, give 10. Okay, symmetric, just extrude up to 20. Okay, then cut this one. Okay, select this face normal, sketch line. Start from this point up to this one. Okay, isometric, just cut through blind no. Okay, so inside the hole, inside this radius log 10. Okay, select this corner fillet, radius log 10. Okay, insert the hole with 20 diameter, 20 distance from origin. Okay, select face normal, sketch circle. Insert dimension 20 diameter and give this distance from this 20. Up 20. And this distance is 20. See from this origin up to this side, diameter up to this one, so 20. Okay, symmetric features, cut extrude line, draw. Okay, make white plane. You see I have the shape from the sketch. This is good. So assign appearance, select path by default, appearance, then you can assign different appearance. Okay, say okay. So friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.